Hello, my name is Zhilinskaya Nadezhda. I am a candidate of Biological Sciences, Associated Professor at the Graduate School of Biotechnology and Food Science of the Institute of Biomedical Systems and Biotechnology. The director of the graduate school is Professor, Doctor of Technical Sciences, Bazarnova Julia Genrikhovna. I am a specialist in biotechnology, biochemistry, morphology of microorganisms, plants, and experimental animals. The following research topic is proposed for the graduate student: biotechnological recycling of food industry byproducts. The topic is due to the fact that food losses account for 20 to 40% of the total volume of food production. That's why biotechnological recycling of food industry byproducts is relevant not only because of the environmental problem associated with the food waste disposal, but also with the opportunity to obtain new valuable target products and develop waste-free industrial technologies. Currently, postgraduate and master students of the graduate school are providing, under my supervision, some following researches. For example, the effect of Saccharomyces yeast on the byproduct bioconversion at plants for potato, rice or corn recycling. Cultivation of Xanthomonas bacteria for the xanthan synthesis on modified nutrient media, using the dairy industry byproduct as one of the components. The use of Deinococcus bacteria for additional industrial water purification from heavy metals. How does the training and scientific work take place within the framework of the program? The postgraduate student receives the theoretical basis when studying such disciplines as biotechnology, cellular and molecular biology, engineering, enzymology, and biocatalysis. The itself research on the dissertation topic take a place in scientific and educational laboratories of technical microbiology, applied biotechnology, equipped with necessary laboratory devices and reagents. The graduate student reports 2 times a year results of the program individual training plan. Research results are necessarily published in scientific journals, article and abstract books, as well as reported at scientific international conferences. There are certain requirements for graduate student: possesses laboratory research methods in the field of bioorganic and analytical chemistry, biological chemistry, microbiology, morphology of plants and microorganisms. Be able to deposit, process, visualize the experimental data obtained using Microsoft Excel software, GraphPad Prism, etc. Use statistical analysis methods and experimental data processing. Master English at the upper intermediate level. Be an active and purposeful student. A graduate student who chose this program of study will receive following advantages: develop skills in organizing, planning, and conducting researches, writing scientific articles, speaking at conferences, be able to predict in silico the molecular structure and properties of plants' microorganisms, master the algorithm for the development of scientific and technical documentation, bylaw for the biotechnological production. And of course, graduates of the program may have different career prospects. So, in the scientific field, to participate in the implementation of biotechnological projects in the field of food ecology and food safety, the development of international cooperation, and in the manufacturing sector, to work as a biotechnologist at food and agricultural enterprises, to control the quality of food raw materials and products, to participate in the development of new products, to become a manager in the field of market analysis and methods of selling biotechnological products. We will be glad to see you as graduate students of Peter the Great St. Petersburg Polytechnic University.